Welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to remove screen limit on iPhone or iPad. Firstly, open your settings on your device, then tap your name at the top. Scroll down, then select Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm, then tap Sign Out to log out of your iCloud account. Go back to Settings, then Screen Time, and tap Turn off the screen time at the bottom. Just note that this requires access to the Apple ID credentials associated with the device. Also, you can use the iCloud Find My Phone. Visit the iCloud Find My from your browser, then sign in with your Apple ID. Select the device from the list, then click Erase iPhone to reset the phone. Once erased, the screen time passcode and settings will be removed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.